Right now, we will learn how to differentiate functions using the product rule. So we will discuss a problem as well on how we could apply the product rule in differentiating functions. So our problem is this one. We need to differentiate this function right over here. Y is equal to x cubed ln x. So differentiate y is equal to x cubed ln x. Right? First and foremost, we need to recognize if we could indeed apply the product rule. So we need to recognize the rule to use for this kind of differentiation. So let us recognize again the rule. So this product, so this function actually involves, or this is actually a product of two functions, meaning the function has two products, right? So we have a function of x cubed times ln x. So the first function is x cubed, and the second function is ln x. So this is the first function, this is the second function, and as you can see, the two functions are multiplied. So it is the product of two functions. So in this case, we can apply the product rule. All right? So I think that's very important. So before you could just apply the product rule, try to identify first or recognize the rule that has to be used. So look again at the functions and then check. So and in this case, there are actually products that made the function, two products of the function. The function one is x cubed, the second function is ln x. So the product rules, what is the product rule again? What's the product rule? Is 1. So if y is equal to one function multiplied to another function, so if one function is multiplied to another function, then we could say that the differentiation of y is equal to the first function multiplied to the derivative of the second function plus the derivative of the first function times the second function. Okay, so all you need to do is take the derivative first of the first function and the derivative of the second function, and then we have to apply the product rule. So as you can see, this is a derivative. This is also a derivative. So derivative of one function, g prime x, derivative of another function, f prime x. And so what we will do, since we already identified that it is a product rule, is we will now compute and solve for the derivative of the two functions, the derivative of one function and the derivative of the second function. So the first function is actually x cubed, right? That's the first function. And what's the derivative of that x cubed? The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. All right, so let's go to the second function. The second function is this, x equal to ln x. And what is the derivative of ln x? So the derivative of the second function is, I hope you know this, it is 1 over x. So now we have the derivatives of each of the functions. So we have the derivative of the first function and the derivative of the second function. Now that we have the derivative of the second and the first function, we will now go back to the formula and substitute the derivatives that we have just computed, right? And as you can see in here, so the derivative would now be equal to, all right? So look in here, the derivative of the first function, the derivative of the second function, right? And then we will multiply it with so if we have to go back to the formula, you can see, so as you can see in here, so we have so this is from the first one and there's the second one, right? All right, so 1 over x and the other one is 3x squared 3x squared. All right, so this is the derivative of one, and that's the derivative of the second one. So just put them back into the formula of the product rule. And so this is now the product rule, right? So one function times the derivative of the second plus derivative of the second times the second function, right? Once you have that, you need to simplify it, Now that you have put everything in a product rule, next one is simplify. Now try to multiply, and so we have here, so there's 1, so simplify the function because we will be multiplying, and when you simplify it, it would come up with something like this. And now that we have simplified, and it is now something like this, it looks like something like that. And we can factor it if possible. You simplify further by factoring. And in this case, x squared is common to both. So we can put x squared. So as you can see, there's x squared over here, x squared also over here. So we can put x squared outside. And what is left is 1 plus 3 ln x. So the final answer then would be x squared times 1 plus 3 ln x. It's easy, right? So again, what did we do with this? How did we solve the product rule? So the first thing is we need to know exactly if indeed it's the rule that's the one that we could apply. So we need to recognize what is present in the given. And in this case, we identified that indeed it is a product rule because we have one product which is x cubed and another one which is ln x. So we have two products multiplied, or two functions multiplied. So we have two functions multiplied. Since there are two functions in there, so we apply the product rule. And what we did to apply the product rule, we need to compute first the derivative of the first function as well as the derivative of the second function. Once you have both derivatives, you substitute it back to the product rule equation and then simplify from there. And then once you simplify, of course, the answer in our first problem would be something like this. All right, if you have some questions, please leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. All right, we will be having more problems like this. All right.